How to turn on secret mode on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on secret mode on Samsung Internet Browser. First, then open the browser and here you will find this icon here in the bottom. Just click on it, and then here in the bottom corner here you will find turn on secret mode. And as you see, just by one click you can turn on secret mode, and that's it. And that's how to turn on secret mode on Samsung Internet Browser. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.